So the question should never be how can I get X amount of followers on Instagram or subscribers on YouTube and whatnot. It should be like, how can I get true fans who appreciate my content onto my email list or onto my own platform? And I think that's like the biggest power that you can have, is having your true fans. You know, you offer value to them and they're on your platform, on your email list, and you're enriching their lives and they're doing it the same, vice versa. So like, never buy into like, I need to get all these followers on Instagram or I need to get all these subscribers on YouTube. No, you want to grow your email list because that's where the true and real transactions occur. All right, quick little note for you guys. And yeah, any questions, man, just hit me up. Like, don't be shy, just hit me up, man. I'm always looking to give and give and give. All right, so the more you ask, the more I'll be able to give. So just ask away.
Yo, let me tell you guys what happened last night, man. Yo, I was doing some work on my website and it completely crashed on me. I totally know exactly what I did for it to crash, and I'm not prepared to admit it to you guys yet because I'm embarrassed, but it's very imperative that you back everything up. Thank God I backed all my blog posts up. It just so happened I had to wake up right now it's 5 a.m. and I had to do a session, so I wasn't gonna stay up all night and just plug in at it and do everything. So I'm gonna get to it later. If you are trying to get in contact with me, you know, you can email me or DM me through my social medias, or I'll answer questions in the comments. But man, it is tough. It is tough, man. So back everything up. Make sure that you have a separate hard drive that is just for your website material. Make sure it's like fast, 2 terabytes, and it's insured also, because you never know, especially when you're building your own platform, you never know when these type of things will happen. So tough. But website is down for now, and I was gonna do a redesign anyway, so this is perfect timing. So with me bringing the website back to life, you'll be seeing exactly my thought process on how you should apply building your website, right? And yeah, follow along and ask any questions along the way. And man, it's tough, man. But at least I got some good sleep though. Yo, a special shout out to my massage therapist, Laura. She definitely hooked me up, man. Like a lifesaver right here. My shoulders are moving a lot better.
Hell yeah.
Yeah. And look out for her stuff too.
Yeah, I'm gonna fight like a girl.
Yep. Right now it's like 2:30 in the afternoon, and I was up since like 4:30 in the morning. You know what I'm saying? Doing client work and et cetera, et cetera. But I wanted to end the video right here because I need a nap and I don't know if I gotta do all the editing and everything. So, and then also later on I gotta go and dig and make sure that I get my website back up and running, because I just fumbled the ball so hard yesterday. Anyway, I just wanted to end with this quick note, right? Everybody on the internet right now is currently and actively searching for that unfair advantage, right? They might want to lose weight. They want to gain muscle. They want to get that secret tip, that magic pill, right? But if you can be authentic and let them know that it is a hard journey, but also give them a proven path in order for them to get to where they want to be, you know, you are setting yourself up in a great strategic position. All right, just know that that's what people use the internet for. They want that unfair advantage to enrich their lives. If you could provide a proven path, whether it's a training manual or on your own platform, you putting yourself in a great position. All right. Let me just end that with this note, and I'm tired, man. Let me just go and get a nap in and then fix this giant F up that I just did yesterday. Anyway, thank you guys for watching. Subscribe, comment, subscribe, and just holla at me, yo. Any questions, as always, hit me up. See you guys tomorrow, man.